Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Dad Technologies. My name is Evan and today we are going to get organized by doing some cable management to my home office and to give you some general ideas of what you can do with yours. Let's set the intro. So we're going to start off with some command strips, just basic accessories, cloth, cable wrap, shorter power cords because longer power cords are just gross, so I have some 1 foot and 3 foot Amazon basic power cords, and just some cable wraps and some more command hooks. This is a basic overview of what I have. As you can see behind my monitors, the cabling is really messy and gross. Of course, under the desk you have just a massive mess of cabling that just really needs to be cleaned up. You have fans and just everything scattered everywhere, and it's not professional looking, and it just does not look good at all. And we're going to try to clean that up today. I think my biggest tip that I have to give to you guys is to just start over, start unplugging everything, and really just start over. It'll be the easiest for you. I start stripping all the power cords and getting all of that away. And here you see I'm actually going to be mounting the power strip up on the desk. It gets everything off the floor and makes it look a bit neat and orderly with those shorter power cords, so you're not really looking at that from the top down view. It just makes it look a lot more nice. You're not going to want to forget about your display cables on the back of your monitor, so you're going to want to get tie wraps on there and get those all wrapped up and neat and orderly. Sorry for the bad camera angle here. I was kind of in the zone of just getting everything organized and I completely forgot to move the camera. Please forgive me. So you'll see now that I'm adding that cloth cable wrap. It's very easy. I specifically got white because a lot of my surroundings is white, so in hopes that it would blend in. Continuing the cloth cable wrap, organizing closer to the desktop, it's looking a lot better already at this point from where we started. Also going to add that power cord going up the leg on the desk, so that way it's still accessible but it's out of the way and not going to be able to be kicked and unplugged and removed or anything of that nature. Here I'm going to use just some general command hooks to be able to keep my cable for my webcam neat and orderly and out of the way, but I'm using the type of command hooks that it can be easily released to because I tend to move my webcam a lot for recordings for you guys, so I don't want to actually lose any slack in that cable. Here you have it, looking much better. This is my finished product for my cable management video. Uh, there's still some cables, and it's not totally perfect, but compared to what it looked like last time, we're sitting pretty good right now. Still a little messy under the desk, but again, comparing to the last time, this really isn't that bad, and it's out of the way, and it's not going to be kicked by my feet or dragged by my children or anything of that. You can also see behind my monitors here that, again, not perfect, but everything is neat and orderly and accessible if I need it, and not going to cause any amount of hazard. That was tons of fun to be able to do that and put that on video for you guys and to do a time-lapse version of it so you could see everything in real motion. I hope to do more videos like this. Hopefully it encourages you to clean up your area a bit more. You just feel more clean when you do that, and it's great. It's fantastic. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment below of what you think, and if you'd be so kind to hit the subscribe button, that would be fantastic and always much appreciated. Thank you.